So in this session we will see how to check the faults in the ACI generated in the Epic. So basically faults are occurred when controller reports failure or an alarm in the fabric. I have opened this script. This will help to provide the output of the faults which are occurred in the ACI fabric. So let me run the script. Now I'll get the output, and these are my all the fault codes are present in the ACI fabric. So here I am getting the list of all the fault. So in this way you can run this script and you will get a list of all the faults, and that will be very useful during the troubleshooting.